never had a girl like you. When we locked up.
Hey, welcome back to another video. Thank you so much for tuning in. If you are subscribed, welcome back. And if you're not, hopefully by the end of this video, that will change and you'll decide to press that button down below. But today we are going to be doing the end of the month sinking funds update. So I'm going to count all of the money that I have saved up so far in my sinking funds, and we're going to see where I ended at for the month of November. So for the month of January, I think I started, let's see, I was at $4,000, and at the end of October, I was at 13,000. So I'm interested to see where I end for the month of November, because I did have to pay some things. And December is no better. I have to pay a lot more. Come December, I'm going to be paying off my loan. So that's going to be a large lump sum. I'm going to be paying my car insurance. That's another $900. So we'll see where we are, but let's go ahead and get started. So the first envelope I'm going to be starting with is car. I do have about $400 to exchange if needed. I don't anticipate I'm going to be exchanging a lot, but we'll see. So I have 300 in fake bills, 50, 65, 66, 67, and 68. So 368. And there's not really much to exchange here, so I'm just going to put this back. So 368 saved up for car maintenance. Rich auntie, I'm not going to count this towards my total because this money doesn't go towards me. It goes towards gifting and giving. So I'll just see how much I have saved up. So we have 20, 40, 60, 70, 85, 90. So we have $90. I'm just going to keep these in the small amounts because Christmas is coming up. So they're going to go towards the kids. For licenses, I have 100, 150, 170, 180, 81, 82, 83, 84. So 184 for licenses, and there's nothing really to exchange here. And this is for my career and my professional license, like my pharmacy license and certification, maintenance, and whatnot. So vacation is empty. You guys know I just came back from vacation the beginning of this month. Household has $20, and I'm not going to exchange that. Actually, it's going to be empty in a minute when I do the next video. Gifts has 10, 20, 30. I have $30 for gifts. I also do not include this because this money doesn't go towards me. Debt, on the other hand, this money is all in the high yield savings account, so I have all fake bills. So we have 1, 2, 3,000, 3,500, 36, 36.50, 36.70. So I have $3,670 in debt. Car insurance, this should be fully funded. I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 700, 750, 800, 20, 40, 60, 80, 90, 95, 900, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So I have $909 that I have for car insurance, and I'm going to pay that at the end of the year, well, somewhere around December. So I'm going to take out the 250s, exchange it for 100, and then 20, 40, 60, 80, 95, 100. I'm going to exchange that for another $100 bill, and that's just $9. So let me just double check and make sure I have the right amount. So I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So 909. Perfect. School. This money is also in my high yield savings account, and I just have $3,000. I thought I was going to have to pay out of pocket for school, but I ended up using student loans. So this money will probably also go towards my debt payment for the end of the year. So that's $3,000. Candle day. This has 10, 25, 35. And I'm just going to leave this in the smaller bills. And then shopping doesn't have anything, so that's it for this binder. Okay. For my holiday binder, I have Thanksgiving, and I think this is going to get emptied out, but I have 75 for now. And Black Friday and Christmas has already been emptied out. I bought a lot of Christmas gifts for people during Black Friday, so that's what that envelope was for. Next, I have the second sinking funds binder, and the first one is Uma. That is my dog. I always want to say puppy, but even though she's tiny or small, she's like a grown woman. She's like 21 years old at this point. So, well, she's 3, but that's 21 in dog years. But I try not to say puppy. Like, she's not a puppy anymore. But she has 100, 20, 40, 60, 80, 90, 200, 10, 15, 20, 21. So she has 221. I'm not going to add her to my count because this money isn't for me. Again, it's for her. So I'm just going to make this 221 and put the rest of this money back. So this should be 200, 20, 40, 60, 70, 80, 95, 100. So this should be 100. All right, and I'm going to put this back. And then this should be 221, 100, 150, 200, 220, 221. Perfect. Weddings. This is for like wedding gifts and whatnot. I have $40, and I'm not going to add that to my account either because that money is not for me. But taxes, this is all in fake money. So I have 1,050, 1,100, 1,150, and 1,160. So I have $1,060, and I'm going to take out these 250s and exchange them for a fake $100 bill. Again, this is all fake money. This money is in my high yield savings account. So it's at 1,100, 1,150, 1,160. So I think I missed a $100 bill. So it's $1,160. Renter's insurance has 50, 100, 5, 6, 7, so 107. I'm just going to take the 250s and exchange that for a $100 bill. And that's it for this one. My Melissa envelope, which is for my birthday, generally has $60. So I'm going to keep that there. And bills doesn't need anything, and I'm not counting it. My P.O. Box envelope has 50, 70, 95, 100. So I'm just going to take another 50, make that $100, and this should be 20, 45, 50, $50. So perfect. Okay, savings. This also is in my high yield savings account. Right now I have 1,000, 100, 200, 20, 40, 60, 80, 90, 300, 5, 10, 11. So I have 1311 in this envelope, or in my high yield savings account. I'm going to take 20, 40, 60, 81 and exchange that for a fake $100 bill, and then I'm going to take the 2 5s and also exchange that for a $10 bill. So this should be 1311. So I have 1,000, 1, 2, 300, 10, 11. So 1311. Perfect. My emergency fund right now is kept at 1,000. So that's it for that. And then C3 just has $5. Is that 5? Yeah, $5. So that's it for that. And we're done with this binder. Okay, so the last binder, I have car insurance, and that's at 20, 45, 46, 47, 48, and 49. I don't have to pay that until 2025. So I'm doing okay with that. Amazon Prime is empty because I just paid the fee, or the annual fee, earlier this month. Family Fun has $10. Retirement, we just used the, $15 in here. I need to do something with that, get rid of it or something, because I have $100 in investments, but they're not doing that well, so I don't count them. My Dang It envelope has $10, and tech, this envelope has 50, 70, 85. My parents, they have 100, 150, 200, 20, 40, 50, so 250. And I'm not going to count them towards my calculations because this money doesn't go to me, it goes towards them. So I'm just going to exchange that for another 50. Medical has $10. I had to pay a extremely high medical bill that was not covered. Well, it wasn't extremely high. I'm being so dramatic. It was $200. Like, medical bills can go way, way higher than that. Nothing for Mellz budget. And then I have my Sam's Club envelope, and that has 20, 40, 45, 46, 47. And that's it for this envelope and for this sinking funds binder. All right, and then lastly, we have the $1 and the $50, or the $1 and a $5 challenge. And I don't think this has changed, but I don't remember how much it was. So we can go ahead and count it. This will be the last time I'm counting this, because all of this money was to be used for Black Friday and Christmas, and I've spent that money on my credit card already, so I have to deposit this money back into the bank. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39, 40, 41, and 42 for the ones. And for the fives, we have 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45, 50, 55, 60, 65, 70, 75, 80, 85, 90, 95, 100 for the $5 challenge. And so for the month of November, we are at, or I'm at, $12,372. This is really, really good. So I'm at a negative of like less than $700, and that's because I had to pay the the Amazon fee. I spent money for Christmas already, and other envelopes that had to be spent. So this is really, really good still, from starting out in January at $4,000 to now being at $12,000. So I'm very, very excited about that. It'll be interesting to see where we go next month, because like I said, I still have more spending to do. I'm going to have to empty out my debt, school envelope, as well as my car insurance envelope. So we'll see where we end up. But let's go ahead and count this money here and make sure I have the $400 I need to deposit back into the bank. Okay, so we have 20, 40, 60, 81, 20, 40, 60, 82, 20, 40, 60, 83, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 75, 85, 95, 400. So we have the $400 to deposit into the bank. That's all I have for you guys today. Thank you so much for staying tuned in this video. Check out the next video. I'm going to be doing the unstuffing to pay back all my credit cards that I had for the spending and whatnot that I did. So thank you guys so much for tuning in. And if you are not subscribed, go ahead and press that button down below. It really helps out my channel. But until next time, guys, goodbye.
So bring your heaven right over. I be the one that you save. My number, put it in your phone and not the one that is fake.